We are pleased to show you the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, stability control, convertible soft top, steel wheels, tires, front, on-off-road, tires, rear, on-off-road, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Come see the car for yourself.